You start strong. New plan, new routine, new energy. For 3 days, you're focused. Then you disappear. Not because it's impossible, but because when it gets boring, you leave. Be honest. Consistency isn't hard. What's hard is doing the same thing when it stops feeling exciting. You don't quit because you're incapable. You quit because you follow your mood. 1. Lower the daily standard, not the commitment. You try to go all in, 2-hour workouts, perfect diet, full focus. Then you burn out. Instead, shrink the effort. Keep the promise. Even 20 minutes counts. Consistency survives when intensity drops. 2. Attach work to a trigger. You rely on memory. That's why you skip. Attach habits to something fixed. After brushing your teeth, stretch. After lunch, study. After work, train. No thinking, just sequence. 3. Track streaks, not motivation. Motivation fades. Streaks build pressure. Mark every completed day. When you see 10 days in a row, you won't want to break it. Protect the streak. 4. Remove the all-or-nothing mindset. You miss one day and then quit completely. One bad day is normal. 2 is a pattern. Never miss twice. Reset immediately. 5. Build identity, not goals. Goals are temporary. Identity is permanent. Don't say, "I'm trying to work out." Say, "I train daily." Act like the person you want to become. Identity keeps you steady. Consistency isn't magic. It's small promises kept daily. Lower the effort, keep the commitment, protect your streak, reset fast. Stop chasing motivation, start building discipline. And this time, don't disappear. No noise, only discipline.